This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Our goal with our videos is to empower you to be able to do the repairs on your own and save a whole lot of money and also get that great feeling of having fixed it by yourself. Today we have a common problem with the Bosch dishwasher that won't start. All the lights light up, but when you close the door, you don't get the little red light here on the floor unless you hold the door shut. You have to really push hard. If you let go, the light turns off and it won't start. So this is due to a problem with the door latch. And when looking at this one, it looks like the way it was installed, the little clips that hold it in had come loose. So I'm going to see if I can get this working correctly. So one thing we want to do is make sure these little latches are in here correctly that hold this to the cabinet. So I'm going to push this in through here, and then I'm going to grab a pair of pliers and I'm going to bend this metal tab up, and that's going to help to hold this latch in place, and this latch helps to hold the dishwasher into the cabinet. I'll do the same on the right side too. Sometimes these get in the way and the door can't close all the way, and if it can't close all the way it won't start. So this is, I think, maybe what's causing the problem on this one. So I'm going to bend that tab up, make sure these are really connected well, and then I noticed that this trim piece had fallen out, so I'm just going to put that back into position and press it down on the metal ridge, and it should be able to hold in place. Sometimes when the door can't close all the way because there's something in the way, it won't start, and the door does have to seal up there really tight against the frame for it to start. So you can look at the door to make sure there's nothing preventing it from moving, like maybe a screw might be in the way. I'm also going to now take these screws out of the kick panel at the bottom and remove the kick panel so that I can get the dishwasher pulled out away from the cabinet. I want to take a look at something, because after I reinstalled it correctly, it's still having a problem where I have to push in on the door to get the little red light to show up at the bottom for it to turn on. So I think I have to do a little bit more work on the latch, but I know a trick here that you can do with these more modern Bosch dishwashers pretty easy. So I'm going to undo those latches I just put on there with a Phillips head screwdriver, get those out so I can pull the dishwasher slightly out of the cabinet. I only need to pull it out about maybe 4 or 5 inches. Kind of wiggle it out. There we go. That's going to expose this white plastic latch mechanism here. And there's a magnet that hangs out in this assembly, little silver, very small magnet that activates a reed switch that's in part of the door, and that tells the computer that the door is shut. I'm going to adjust that magnet so that it will make the door know, or make the computer know that the door is shut. So basically I'm going to remove this plastic latch from the dishwasher, and I'm going to pull that little silver magnet out of the latch assembly and kind of break it free, and I'm going to put it back down onto nearby where it was, but I'm going to move it a little bit closer to where I am. I'm just checking before I do that there's nothing in the way that's stopping the door from closing, making sure that there's like not a screw loose or some dirt in the way, but it seems good, and it still has this problem where it doesn't want to start. Almost starts, you have to just push it in. So adjusting that magnet's going to do the trick, and it's not very hard to do. On some of these, the plastic latch is held in by two metal tabs that you have to bend away, like on this one. And on some, there's one Torx 15 screw that you have to remove to get the latch out. This one just has these metal tabs that we have to bend back. And then that little magnet hangs out in the white plastic here by where my thumb is. And I'm going to actually break off that plastic piece, and I'm going to just put the magnet right on the metal, and it'll stick because it's magnetic. So yeah, during this inspection I don't really see anything that's blocking it, so it's probably just something I have to adjust. So I'm bending back the metal tabs, just bend back a little bit, just enough where we can get the white plastic assembly to come out. You know, metal fatigue, so if you bend it back and forth too many times, the tab will actually break off. So just bend it back a little bit. Kind of bend this one out slightly more. I'm pulling up this whole assembly, and I really want to get to where the pliers are right now, is where that magnet's hanging out. And I'm actually going to break off that little plastic part so that I can get to that magnet and have room for that magnet to sit freely. I'm going to use a little standard head screwdriver to push that magnet out of the plastic housing. And I'm just going to lay that magnet down a little closer to that door so that it'll activate that switch sooner. And now I'm putting the plastic latch back in. You need that latch in there. That's helping to hold the door in place. And the magnet's just telling the computer that the door is shut. And now it seems to be doing it quite well. So I'm going to bend that tab back to hold that plastic latch in place so it can help to hold the door shut. But that little magnet being pushed closer to the front of the dishwasher toward that door has corrected the problem. And what I did again is I broke off the little white plastic piece that was holding it, and the magnet's just sitting against the metal frame of the dishwasher, but since it's magnetic, it'll stay right where you want it, and it's working. So now when I close the door, that light goes on, the dishwasher starts, and I don't have to push it in anymore. I don't have to hold it. It's being held in on its own. You can see now where my finger's pointing, that's that little magnet, pretty small. This little silver square magnet hangs right there. And now when I close the door, it starts. So I've done this a few times on a few of these same modern Bosch dishwashers. I'm not sure what goes out of alignment. I know on one of them somebody had fallen against the door and the door was slightly bent. This one I'm not sure why it happened because the door seems to be very straight. But that totally works. Easy to do. Just got to get that latch out of there, break off that little plastic piece, and then push the magnet out with the small standard head screwdriver and just put that magnet a little closer to the front, and then you're good to go. So I push the dishwasher back into position, and I'm going to go ahead and grab my pliers. I'm going to twist these little feet to my left, and that's going to raise the front of the dishwasher up and push it up stronger against the cabinet so that it's sitting straighter, and also it's being held in by friction. But I'm also going to add in those screws too to really have it held in. Last time it had kind of fallen out of position because it wasn't installed very well. These are actually really good dishwashers. They have one of the highest consumer satisfaction, and very quiet, clean dishes really well. So I'm just checking the alignment looks good. I'll go ahead and add those Phillips head screws back in. Got that one. We'll do one more over here. There we go, and then I'm going to close the door again. Make sure there's nothing in the way, that those screws aren't in the way. Looks great, closes really well. So we got it. We'll go ahead and reinstall the kick panel by putting in those two Phillips head screws, and it's a done deal. So the problem again was just the magnet was too far toward the back of the dishwasher by maybe, you're talking like 2 or 3 millimeters, but that's enough to where the dishwasher wouldn't start. You press start, but you close it and it wouldn't get going. I was just adjusting the dishwasher a little bit more to get it really straight with the cabinet, so I'm just reinstalling those screws. You can put a Bosch dishwasher in a cabinet without using these screws if you just use the feet to push it way up into the top of the cabinet. It's held in by friction. Usually I like to do that, but also add the screws to really make it stable. So you don't have to buy a new latch to fix this. You just basically have to break the old latch and free up that magnet, and then just put the magnet right on the metal frame, but slightly closer to the front of the dishwasher, and that does the trick. So just putting that kick panel back on, got it in position, and then we add the 2 Phillips head screws that hold it in. And we have a successful repair. We have a happy Bosch dishwasher that starts easily again. I hope this helps you too with your Bosch dishwasher. And please subscribe when you get a chance so we can send you a lot more repair videos. Thanks again for watching.